Penguins are fascinating creatures that inhabit the icy regions of the southern hemisphere. These flightless birds have adapted to their environment with their streamlined bodies and waterproof feathers. They live in large colonies, waddling on land and gracefully swimming in the ocean. Penguins are known for their unique parenting roles, as both parents take turns incubating eggs and caring for their young. These adorable creatures captivate our hearts with their playful nature and distinctive black and white appearance. Do you have any questions or remarks? Type them in the comments.